Hey, this is Main Art. Thanks for checking out my video. Today I'm gonna just add some additional items to this Pirate Shipwreck painting in pastel and charcoal. I'm just gonna jump right in here, see if I can expand a little bit on this top section. This will be where looks like some of the breaks came in on this side. Just really, the wood is gonna be splintered. So we can come in and just extend this out. And all I'm doing here with the charcoal is just straight lines, and it gives it that jagged, you know, wood effect in the ocean. Add maybe some more splash in here. Across this back area. Neat thing about this is just, you could really just have a lot of fun when it's just the ocean, different things, different wave patterns. But overall, it looks pretty decent. Not 100% accurate, but that's all right. Just as long as you're just having fun, creating some different pieces and pictures. Perhaps we'll get some more in this section here. There might be another piece of wood broken. Something that split off from the ship. Maybe this is long too. And then of course we'll just, for the effect, just use the white to really just go over it. So it feels like the waves are getting in there. It definitely gives it a cool, neat effect. Okay, so definitely gonna expand on some of this middle section here. If this is the top, perhaps it extended through here a little bit. This backside. But again, there's gonna be some cracks, some breaks. This is just gonna be the wood. Other layer on this side. Perhaps that might have been the top of the piece. Just gonna add in some more of that color. Gives it a cool effect. One thing I always like to do too, when it's this old, like kind of ship's wood and or shipwreck, you can really get the points, the break. Gives it a cool look. And all in here is just, say it's decoration of it, what it was. Could really have some fun with that. Just gonna highlight some of this skull. Some more colors in this section. It's gonna be the backdrop. This is just rope and different things. Here's some wild stuff. This is another one this way. Right, so definitely this piece is coming a long way here. Just gonna get in, start adding a little bit more of this breakwater on this side. Whether it's coming up to the sand, just these waves, filling in some of that page. Pretty neat. And then perhaps over in this section, I'm gonna see if I could sneak in. Maybe there's another piece that was like the skull or something. See if we can sneak that in. Kind of halfway in the water and out. And maybe we'll give that some yellow too, some reflection, or it might be even glass. That's a cool idea too. All right, so yeah, so we got that skull on that side. Add a little bit more out in the ocean here. Get this nice and bright. That sunrise, sunset. And this is another area you could just really have fun with the colors you come up with, and you know, because out there could be, you know, anything really. It's just so, you know, beautiful scenery, different colors blending together really gives it a neat effect. Come in here with the dark as well in this section. Gives it a little dimension back there. Clouds. All right. Definitely have a lot of different things happening. It's a little bit more down in this section. This cuts off, darken that up a little bit. just really getting those waves in there. Maybe some splashes coming through here, whether it's hitting that part of the boat. Cool effect on that side. Okay, so definitely, yeah, a lot happening on this version. Um, if you like this kind of stuff, please check out my other videos. All charcoal pastel. Gonna find some with more of the pirate slash horror theme. Some interesting characters, but all about just having fun, just getting out there and drawing, seeing what you could come up with, staying creative. Um, yeah, so I definitely invite you to check those out, and I appreciate your time today. And this is Main Art. Thank you so much. Take care. Keep keep drawing as well. All right.